Hey guys, welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and today's video is going to be an update video on ORION Protocol and a chart analysis.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and as always, this is not financial advice, so always do your own research, and hopefully you guys do enjoy this video.
So as we see here, this is not looking good for our long-term holders for ORION Protocol. A lot of us have been buying at $8, and you're lucky if you're getting in at $8 around there, because a lot of people also are buying in at 19, 20. So right now, a lot of people are very sad, and a lot of people are actually panicking and selling their coins. I don't know why you'd be selling your coins, because when you're already down this much of a loss, not financial advice, of course, but it's just not worth selling your coins. You just forget about it and start from scratch. You never had that money. I know it's easier done than said, but it's better than selling at a loss. It's the worst thing you can do is sell at a loss. Just think about why you bought in the first place. That's what you got to remember. You got to remember why you buy that project in the first place. You got to remember that feeling you had when you first researched the project properly and you realized why you want to buy that. You got to think about that. Think about when deck season does arrive, when the bull market does once again begin, whenever that could be. That could be 2 years away, a year away, a month away, whenever that could be. It could be a long time away, or it could be around the corner. We do not know. We're not here to talk about that, if that's going to happen, because no one can predict that. We are literally in a recession right now. But yeah, as we see, the market cap's now down to $65 million. Absolutely tiny. It's not nice to see it at all. I was buying it. I was a long-term holder. I bought from over a year ago, and this isn't what I was expecting. But it's part of crypto, so it's okay. This is why you diversify. Obviously, everything's down right now, but ORION is unusually down. It's down like 85, 90%, something like that. Whereas other things are down 50%, 60%. Much better. Obviously, still not ideal. Um, but yeah, as I was saying, the all-time high was $29 just a year ago. That's what I was saying. How people have been holding for such a long time. As you see, we are down 93%, as I just said. So it's not looking good for anyone right now. Unless you just found out about the project now at these prices and you're buying in now, you found out what the project did, you're excited now of just finding it, then you're the only people that are happy right now. But yeah, let's get into some updates and things that have been happening. So as we see here, we've been very excited about this, about how the integration of Phantom is coming into ORION Protocol, and what is this going to do for ORION Protocol. Yes, the price is so bad right now, but the development is higher than it's ever been. So we've got to be happy about that. That is a positive. They're still developing, so we know it's still full force ahead, and I'm very excited for when that bull run does begin, of where ORION Protocol is going to head, because more regulations are going to happen. What does that mean? What are we going to need more of if there's going to be more regulations? We're going to need more decentralized exchanges. And what's better than one exchange with all centralized and decentralized exchanges in one decentralized exchange, if that made sense. If you know about ORAN, you know what I'm talking about. But that is insane in itself. So think about when those regulations do happen and ORAN Protocol really start focusing on their marketing. We really could be seeing some great results from that when that does start to happen. I know I'm saying a lot of when this happens and all of that, but it's just a long-term hold. That's what ORAN Protocol is. That's what I said a year ago when we were making these videos, and that's what I'm still saying now. It is a long-term hold, and a long-term hold can mean 5-10 years. So you got to remember that.
As you can see from ORION Protocol, we have bottomed out, and this is looking like this is going to be the bottom, because as you can see from here, we've recently rallied all the way back from here, this area right here. So this could be an area of support, and in my opinion, this could be a potential bottom of the market. And this is something that we were kind of worried about before, whether we could retest the bottom before we actually explode higher. So we can see that $1.3 could offer some nice support before we do start to move up higher. And as you can see, this double top is looking likely that we are most likely going to be taking it higher. And as you can see right here, if I do draw out a trend line, you will be able to kind of see that we have finally reached the bottom of this market. And yeah, just like this, we could end up retesting the trend line right here and start to move up higher, and that could be the beginning of an insane bull run, as that's what could happen. So stay tuned, guys, and yeah, this could be something that could be useful in the future. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, just gonna get rid of this. As you can see here, we've just been seeing lower lows and lower highs, and guys, I do think eventually this will actually no longer be going lower. Just it's just having a difficult time because of Bitcoin and many other altcoins, as that's why we are basically seeing the cryptocurrencies, all of them starting to drop lower and lower and lower, and this is very normal as of right now. So I do think that $1.30 could offer us a nice area of support before we do continue to move up higher.
So that is now it for this video. If you feel like you've taken any value from watching this video, then please make sure you press that like button and also press that subscribe button. It really does help us out and we really do appreciate it. And yeah, thank you.